welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today is day 8 of Momtober. Today's been a very crazy day. I just finished working, so I'm just gonna show you the state of this household because I was busy all day sitting there. I have not even been able to do my workout, so I'm gonna do that now. But the state of this house is not well. I'm just going to show you what I mean about this is not well. Mess from the kitchen, sofa, Janelle's toys everywhere. Even outside. Hi. What you doing there?
I'm making cake for you.
You're making a cake for me?
Yeah, and my baby.
And your baby?
Yeah, and me. Today is my birthday.
It's your birthday.
Yeah, and you too, and my baby too.
Your birthday, my birthday, and baby's birthday?
Yeah.
A lot of birthdays.
I know.
I received Amazon. Look how much of mom life I'm living right now. I ordered myself a venti latte and it's filled. I have not had any, not even a sip. Nothing. So I'm gonna heat it up because this is not going to waste. All right, I have a feeling that this is something for my costume. Yes, it is. It's my beast horns. Esto es para mami, para que como ella me voy a vestir de beast. Oh.
Dame esta y ve. Ok, pues pon mi bell. Y tú haces wow.
No te puedo poner bell porque eso es para Halloween.
I know, pero tú tienes. Porque tú tienes bees. Ok, dámelo y yo lo pongo aquí y yo digo, ¡tala! Ok.
Okay. Ven.
Ok, dame.
Okay. All right. And there she goes. All right, so I'm gonna heat up my coffee because I'm gonna drink it. And I'm gonna start by throwing away some garbage.
¿Qué quieres pasar?
¿Qué me quiero disfrazar de bees?
¿Qué quieres for Halloween?
I do not use a garbage can. I just use
A bell. I made bell and you don't cook.
no.
Mommy, pero
I just use these grocery bags and just throw it away.
birthday to Mama and for Mama's. Ready, guys?
Ready?
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to my babies. Happy birthday to for my mom. So proud.
Yay! Oh, she wants to go out too.
Good job, guys.
Good
Okay,
job.
let's eat, Mommy. Because I had it for my babies. Okay? Vamos quitar.
Ya no quieren más.
Okay. Aqui se bota bem. Go. Da cama ela dele. Debe ser.
Esa es la alfombra de ella, de jugar.
Sí, esta es la forma de mi bebé. Deme la hacerlo. Okay. Put it. Now mira babies.
Here, your babies.
Take it. Where's the baby? Okay.
no matter what. It's almost 7:30 o'clock at night, and now when I got my workout done. But I did it. I didn't skip it. And Jenna was just cleaning, playing, doing her thing. Still is working hard. All right, the sun's about to go down, or I think it's already down, like 100%. But before it's completely dark outside, I'm gonna take Jenna outside because I promised her. Ready, Freddie?
Yeah. Are you ready?
You're ready. Ayuda a Mini a levantarse, dale. Cógele la mano. Tirala para adelante. Eso. You helped Minnie. Yay. There you go. Minnie. Woo. There you go. ¿Y la otra? Good job, baby. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm going to leave the video up to here. I'm going to play a little bit with Janelle, just concentrate on her, dedicate my time, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to try to do my preschool day with Janelle. So we'll see how that works. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you for day 9. Happy Friday Eve! Why are you so cute? Look at this beautiful princess. Adorable. I love you.